Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: Android version, router model, and whether firmware changed recently. Once done, disable battery saver and any VPN so the system won't kill Wi-Fi. Next, forget the problem network. This clears cached credentials and bad configs. Reboot both your phone and router to reset DHCP leases and radio states, then reconnect manually, choosing the correct security type, and re-entering the password to ensure a clean association. Once reconnected, dig into advanced settings. Assign a static IP or reserve one on the router to avoid lease conflicts that cause drops. Make sure band steering isn't flipping between 4 GHz and 5 GHz. Instead, create separate SSIDs for each band and connect to the stable one. Update your phone's Wi-Fi driver or system software to fix known bugs. If instability persists, use Android's reset network settings to clear all interfaces and start fresh. To finish, optimize the environment. Change router channel to avoid interference, lower transmit power if overcrowded, and enable Co-S for critical devices. Turn off MAC randomization for the network so authentication stays consistent, then test connectivity in safe mode to rule out third-party apps. If problems remain, perform a factory reset on the router only after backing up settings, and call your ISP or device maker. They can check line stability or known hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.